Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Manish and hope you all guys are doing great. So guys, there are several openings for system engineer position in Tata Telecommunication company. So guys, basically Tata Telecommunication is an Indian telecommunication company which comes under Tata Group. So guys, in this video we will talk about everything for this hiring. So if still you have not subscribed our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because in future we are going to talk about many hirings of this type. So guys, let's get started. So guys, as I already told you, Tata Communication Limited is an Indian telecommunication company. Company is a part of Tata Group, and the network of Tata Communication spans more than 5 lakh kilometers of subsea fiber and more than 2 lakh and 10,000 kilometers of terrestrial fiber. And the company has invested 1.19 billion in its global subsea fiber network. So guys, now comes to the point of this hiring. So guys, here the job role is system engineer, and you can say this hiring is for the system engineer position, and here experience needed is 0 to 5 years. So guys, if you are freshers, or you can say if you are like pass out from 2020 batch, so still you can apply. And if you have experience like you are pass out of 2017 batch, so still you can apply for this hiring. It means if your experience is between 0 to 4 years, you can apply. And the salary is not opened here, so the salary will be the best in this industry. And the job location for this hiring will be Chennai, which is in India, and qualification is engineering graduate. So guys, now comes to the point of responsibilities. So you will be responsible for planning, designing and developing solutions and service products riding on network or across multiple network layers such as like CDN, enterprise, Ethernet, IP address. So basically guys, you can assume like this hiring is mainly for the networking purpose, and if you want to go in networking company like Tata Telecommunication, so it is a great opportunity for you for networking field, or you can say networking domain. So next responsibility is gather requirements, prepare architecture design and conduct technical and cost feasibility study, and implement and resolve issues to support network globally to meet timelines and customer requirements. So basically guys, what is the mean of this point? So basically you have to design the architecture, you have to meet to the timelines and customer requirements, and you have to maintain the administer internally developed and third party applications. Next is you will be responsible for developing and designing all network systems including storage, load balancers, servers and routers. So guys, this is the responsibility. You can check, or you can say you can read all these things by pausing the video. So guys, now I will provide you the link of this hiring in description, and as guys you will click on that link, you will be on this page. So guys, this is the official page of Tata Telecommunication company. You can clearly see this is the official site of Tata Communication. So guys, this is the hiring which is posted on 14 October, and location for this hiring is Chennai, India, and company is Tata Communications. So guys, then you have to click on this apply now, and as you click on this button, you will be on this page. Sorry, this is the same page. So guys, you will be on this page. So first, like as you will click on this apply now button, you have to create your account, and then you have to sign in on that account. So after signing in, you will be on this page. So this is the final page. You can check career for successfactors.com, which is the official page of Tata Communication. So now you have to fill a form, or you can say you have to fill a registration form, so in which you have to first upload your documents. So in documents you have to upload your resume. Here you can check this resume is mandatory for you to upload. So make sure your resume is like great in view based, like it must be like first impression resume, or if you have your cover letter, then you can also attach this. And if you have your additional details like you have done any certifications or other things, so you can upload them here. Then you have to upload, or you can say you have to fill your profile information. So in profile information, you have to first salutation. So like what's your name? Like if you are a boy, you can click on Mr. or Mrs., so you can understand very well. So then you have to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, preferred name, anything you want to be in your company, or you can say after joining you want your name on the card, so that name you can enter here in preferred name. Then you have to enter your email address, then your gender, your mobile number, alternate phone number, and then you have to fill your address details. So then you have to fill this formal education details, so you can here fill your all details, like from which college, or like from where you have done your qualifications, like these are the qualifications. So like I have done BTech, so I can choose a BTech here. So if you are from engineering background, so you can choose BTech. And like just to tell, this hiring is only for the engineering graduates, so this hiring is only for the BTech graduates. So then you have to fill your previous employment details, so like if you have done previously, if you are doing a job, and then you have to fill the details of your job. If you are fresher, you can keep it empty. And then finally you have to fill the detail of job specific information, like basically you can check like are you currently working as contractual employees with Tata Communications or subsidiary. So like you can select like no, like I'm not working with Tata Communication, so I'm selecting no. So guys, in this way, like finally please enter official Tata emails ID if yes. So guys, basically if you are choosing yes, then you have to fill these details, and if you are choosing here no, then you have no need to fill these details. And then finally you have to enter this date here, like today's date in which you are filling this registration form. Then you have to click check, you have to check this, and then finally save and apply. You have to click on save and apply. So guys, this is all about this hiring. I hope this video helped you a lot, and this video will help you in getting this job. So guys, if you think this video is a little bit important for you, or like I have done a hard work on creating this video, and I'm like regularly uploading videos related to the jobs to you guys, and for only you guys. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. So thank you guys for watching the video, and stay tuned up with Edu Vani.